Greetings from the world of internet profit. It's now simpler than ever to make money from home thanks to advancements in technology and the internet. The standard 9-to-5 work is a thing of the past as the digital era has created many chances for people to earn money online. The internet offers a plethora of opportunities for anybody seeking additional money, whether it is a student, a stay-at-home mom, or just someone searching for extra cash. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Freelancing. A popular online revenue source that is open to people of all skill levels is freelancing. It makes it possible for you to work on a project basis, or clients hire you to do certain tasks or projects. Among the most in-demand freelance skills are graphic design, web development, content writing, social media management, and virtual assistants. Making a profile on reputable freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer is a good place to start. These platforms provide independent contractors a place to network with potential clients and showcase their credentials and prior experience. Building a strong portfolio and giving your clients consistently excellent work are prerequisites for being a successful freelancer. With sufficient expertise and satisfied clients, you could even be able to increase your prices and earn a respectable livelihood. Online surveys. Online survey taking is a popular way for individuals to augment their income in their free time. Companies are always looking for participants for online surveys to get data and feedback about their products and services. You may sign up for paid survey websites like Swagbucks, Taluna, and Survey Junkie. Online surveys are a simple and fast way to make money online, even if they may not be very lucrative. Recall that there may be a minimum amount you need to attain before you can withdraw your gains. Affiliate marketing. The two major components of affiliate marketing are promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated by your unique affiliate link. This is a popular way for bloggers, influencers, and website owners to make money online. To start earning money with affiliate marketing, you may enroll in an affiliate program of a company or brand that appeals to your target market and areas of interest. After that, you'll get a unique link to share, and you'll be paid a commission each time someone uses your link to make a purchase. Informing your audience about your affiliate relationships is essential to maintain transparency and building trust. You may also promote your affiliate relationships via blog or website reviews, social media, email marketing, and other means. Virtual assistant. The need for virtual assistants has increased in tandem with the expansion of online businesses. As a virtual assistant, you may work from home and assist clients with administrative, creative, or technological chores. Data entry, email management, social media administration, appointment scheduling, and other tasks might fall within the purview of a virtual assistant. Success as a virtual assistant requires having excellent communication and organizational skills in addition to the ability to handle several tasks at once. You might search freelancing websites for virtual assistant jobs or join a virtual assistant agency to network with clients. As you advance in knowledge and skill, you may be able to charge more and earn a respectable livelihood. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a certain industry or have a strong academic background, you may teach people online for a fee. This may be done using virtual platforms like Skype or Zoom, or through online tutoring services like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com. In addition to academic courses, you may provide language instruction, music theory, and art sessions to students online. You will need to be able to express ideas clearly and effectively in order to be a successful online educator. While some online tutoring services may not need any specific credentials, others can require that you have a teaching credential or degree. Working as an online teacher may be a flexible and fulfilling way to earn money from home since you have the freedom to set your own hourly rates. Writing content. If you have writing skills, creating content for blogs, websites, and online publications may be a lucrative endeavor. Many websites and businesses need to update their content, often with high-quality information, in order to attract and retain their audience's attention. Content mills, freelancing websites, and job boards are good places to find opportunities for content writing. Being a content writer requires having strong writing skills, a firm understanding of SEO, and the ability to meet deadlines. You may even launch your own blog or website and monetize it with advertisements or affiliate marketing. Even though it could take longer to earn a substantial income, this is an excellent way to advance your writing profession and build your own brand. Social media management. If you are familiar with the workings of several social media sites and are engaged on social media, you might be able to make money managing accounts for businesses. Social media management is a growingly popular online vocation since so many companies and entrepreneurs lack the time or expertise to manage their social media presence. You will be responsible for organizing and completing posts, responding to messages and comments, and growing the social media followings of your clients. Speak with tiny neighborhood businesses or go via freelancing websites for social media management opportunities. Online product sales. Selling products online is now easier than ever thanks to e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy. You may launch your own online store and sell handmade goods, digital products, or even dropship things from suppliers. Selling products straight from suppliers without the need for storage or shipment is known as dropshipping. You might start an online store and work with a supplier to manage the shipping and fulfillment of your products. As a consequence, you may now focus on marketing and growing your online business. Graphic design. If you have an artistic eye and design skills, you may be able to make money creating logos, graphics, and other visual elements for businesses. Many companies and entrepreneurs' websites, social media presences, and marketing collateral need graphic design services. Create a profile on freelance websites or register for graphic design marketplaces like 99 Designs or Design Crowd to attract clients. Keeping up with current design trends and having a strong portfolio can help you stand out and get more business. Virtual event organizing. Remote employment and virtual events have increased demand for virtual event planners. In your capacity as a virtual event planner, you will be in charge of planning and directing online events such as webinars, conferences, and seminars. It is necessary to have excellent organizational and communication skills, as well as the ability to manage several projects and deadlines. You may search for virtual event planning employment on freelancing websites. As an alternative, you may market your services to small business owners and entrepreneurs. Produce and market digital goods. Creating and marketing digital products is another profitable way to make money online. Among them are ebooks, courses, templates, and printables. Additionally, you have the option to charge businesses and websites who need stock photos, graphics, or music. While creating digital goods requires time and effort, once completed, they may be sold without additional effort. You may promote your digital products on your own website, as well as on e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Creative Market. Transcription. Transcribing involves converting spoken words into written language. Given that so many businesses are hiring remote transcriptionists, they are in great demand and provide flexibility. You'll need to be able to type and listen quite well as fulfill deadlines. You may look for transcription employment on freelancing websites or sign up for transcribing services like Rev or Transcribium. It's crucial to hone your accuracy and speed when typing, since certain businesses can need you to pass a typing test before hiring you. Conclusion. The benefits of earning money online from home might be substantial, but there are drawbacks as well. Through internet chances, anybody may become financially successful with a correct attitude and a strong sense of drive. The world is always changing and new opportunities to earn money online appear daily. Thus, in order to take advantage of these chances, it is imperative that one remains current and continues to study. Therefore, if you're searching for a way to make money from home, there are many opportunities on the internet just waiting for you to discover and establish yourself. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.